Hi, good afternoon. So this is my first FB Live for the week. So my schedule is every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So today, I'm going to share to you a very quick demonstration on how to identify the sheer coverage and the full coverage. But you should know also what is best for your skin. So for the sheer coverage, that is best for women who has fine skin, very young skin, and pino, as in super pino yung mga balat nila, and for of course for young skin. So that is best recommended na gagamitin nila is sheer coverage. So when we say sheer coverage, it just like a skin, very light pigments of the foundation. So I will show you now the difference between the sheer and the full. For the full coverage, this is recommended for women who wants to cover their imperfections, like the blemishes or the pimples, or like me. Oh, you see, this is my bare skin. This morning I have already the cleanser, no, and of course the day cream with SPF 35, which is the anti-aging. Now I'm going to share to you the difference between the sheer and the full coverage by using these two bestseller foundations of Mary Kay, which is the CC cream that gives you a sheer effect, no, a very light finish on your face, and this one is the full coverage, which is our liquid foundation. But my base for today, of course, is always the best-selling product also of Mary Kay, which is the Honey Glow. Because the Honey Glow, if you use the Honey Glow finisher, this will be the one to help our makeup last longer, or especially our foundations. This will make our foundation last longer. So for demo purposes, I will apply the Honey Glow, no, with SPF 35. Although nag-SPF na ako kanina with SPF 30, so I will use the Honey Glow as a base for my makeup or the foundation. Okay? So nakita nyo, maliit lang siya. Kung mapansin niyo, it's a creamy, it's like a milk, no? It's a liquid Honey Glow finisher. So this is for the whole face. Okay? So kung napansin niyo din, mapansin niyo din kayo ngayon, tingnan niyo, it will give instant brightening, no, on my face compare kanina when I open, no. So makita niyo, no, may brightening effect. So we will wait for around a minute to absorb the Honey Glow. So it instantly, that's why I really love the Honey Glow. Okay? So for those women na nasa bahay lang, you have a lot of choices, no, for your protection. So I really love also to massage my face, no? Especially pag nasa 40 years old and above na tayo, hinahinay na tayo, we have to be more conscious with the volume of our skin, because we don't want our skin or our face to sag. Kasi nga, as Luis Casco said, everything falls because of the glow of gravity, but it will not apply to the face if you put on the anti-aging products, especially the serums. So on our next episode, I will give you a demonstration on the importance of giving serums on our face if we don't want that our face will sag. Okay? So makita nyo talaga. So I think it's already done. I really love the effect of the Honey Glow. You see? It gives you a flow, it gives you a Honey Glow Korean, yung sinasabi nila, Korean glass look. So Honey Glow pa ito, ha, ang nilagay ko, may dating na, di ba? So ngayon, on my left side, this is the left, this is the right. So on my right side, I will put now the CC cream. So the CC cream will give us a sheer coverage. So makita, so I am using very light coverage, very light shade for the CC cream, and I'm using the ivory matte for oil control on my other side of the face. So pareho silang ivory para may difference. Okay, so ganito lang kaliit. So apply muna, including the forehead. Actually, naramihan na to, no? Okay. So, I'm using now my fingers, no? Use the fingertips. This is for the sheer or light, no? Light coverage.
Where's our garbage can? It's over here.
You see the difference? No? With the Honey Glow and the CC cream. Ang ganda ng effect, no? So, this will give us a perfect canvas for our colors. Okay? So, for our makeup. So, pinaka-importante talaga before putting on the makeup is really the base, which is our primer, which is nag-serve si primer is our Honey Glow. And of course, our choice of coverage, which is if you like to have a sheer coverage like this. And now I will put on the I will put on now the matte liquid foundation because my skin is oily. So this will serve as a 12-hour oil control. So konti lang nakita niyo, it's very light. Actually, sobra. This is good for the whole face already. Okay. So this is the sheer coverage. I'm using now the CC cream. You will compare now the difference between the CC cream and the liquid foundation. So let's see, no? Tingnan natin. So always, mas makapal talaga ang liquid foundation. You see? This is the full coverage liquid foundation and this is the sheer. Makita nyo, ang sheer parang balat mo lang. Pero flawless ang dating. Now, this is the liquid foundation. It has a full coverage. So, you learn something. So, the full coverage is for those who have blemishes, no? Or dark spots on the face. And the CC cream is best for those who has small pores, fine pores, for young skin. And of course, the CC cream is best for daily use na kahit sa bahay lang, it will give you a light effect. Okay? Kasi yung, nakita niyo, did you see the difference? Comment naman dyan. Okay? So, now, meron akong extra tips. As you can see, please look closely to my eye area. Okay? As you can see, medyo dark. Okay? Medyo dark and then sunken. Diba? Malalim siya. So, I am going to share to you the difference, no? I will apply only the other side of my face, of the eye area. I am going to share to you the under eye corrector. So, this is the way, no? Pina-V. So, just use the middle and ring finger. Can you spot the difference? Okay? So, that is the power of the under eye corrector. Hindi ba siya, lifted. The other area is lifted. Okay? Compare it to the other side. Do you see? Lifted, di ba? Kasi nga, naglagay tayo ng under eye corrector. Compare to the other side. Oh, halata masyado, di ba? Makikita pa yung darken and then mas malalim. Whereas dito, nilagyan natin ng under eye corrector, we are looking at my eye area as lifted. Okay? So, these are the basic tips on how to create a perfect canvas, no, for your face and to have a flawless look. So, kahit konting kulay lang, lagay nyo, naka-brow liner lang kayo and a lipstick, no, and a little cheek color, and then don't forget the pressed powder. That will give you a perfect canvas na for your makeup. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope you learned something on the choices, and that is also your choice if you want a sheer coverage on your face or a full coverage, which is using our liquid foundation or the CC cream. And of course, our base is always the Honey Glow. Now, if you like to order our products, call the beauty consultant who serves you. But if you don't have any beauty consultant, you don't have anyone na kilala o nagsiserve sa inyo, all you have to do is to PM me, text me, message me that you like to try these products. I have on-hand stocks here. We can deliver to you through LBC or GRS or JT, which is the nearest, kung ano ang nearest courier nasa lugar ninyo. So, we will deliver to you the products. We will talk about our prices. So, we are not allowed to say it in public. Now, of course, you give freebies also if you like to order some skincare products also. Okay? Kasi remember, having flawless look, the base for this, 90% of having a flawless look is the skincare. Our foundations for flawless look is secondary. But of course, we need also to have this flawless look every day, especially if you are working. No? So, call me if you want to order these products or if you want to have freebies. Okay? So, you like to receive a free foundation or a free CC cream or a free Honey Glow from me. All you have to do is be my hostess, be my partner in my Mary Kay business. Okay, so that you can get free items, you can get it at a lower price. PM me so that we can negotiate and talk about what is the best coverage for you, the best skincare, and the best foundation if you like a sheer effect or a sheer coverage or a full coverage foundation on your face. Thank you. And keep safe, everyone. Thank you for listening and watching my video.